Next, you'll go to your light fabric, and here I have already prepared one. You stack your fabrics the same way, a stack of 7, and then use your light template layout sheet, place it on top, clip it, or trim it and clip it. This one's going to be just slightly different. It's a little bit bigger. And you have here a template for section 1. So let me zoom into that so you can see. This is section 1 template. It's the square that goes right in the center of the log cabin. Otherwise, everything else is the same. It's just the logs, and they're a little bit bigger. So we'll cut all of these light fabric templates out the exact same way you did the dark fabric. When you finish cutting your light fabrics, you will have 6 sets of the light fabric logs, and the light fabric logs also include section 1, which is the square in the middle. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take all of the units in bag 1, and we're going to count out 7, and we're going to clip them together in sets of 7. The first set will include your 6 HLC, half log cabin units. There are 3 B units and 3 A units. You will clip those together with one of the unit LC. So you'll have a total of 7 papers clipped together. The remaining papers, they're all going to be unit LC, and you'll clip 7 together of those. So you will have 6 stacks clipped together of 7 each of your foundation papers. The reason we do this is we're going to just put them into manageable piecing sections. So if you want to, and especially for new quilters, just piece 7 at a time. More experienced quilters, or maybe after you've pieced one set of 7, you can go ahead and piece more at a time. But to make it easy, and this is a simplified version, we're going to piece 7 at a time later once we start our piecing. So just recap, you're going to clip together your 6 half log cabin units with 1 log cabin unit, LC unit, and then the remaining unit LCs you're going to clip together in sets of 7. So let me show you how we stack these. So we start with section 21. That's the highest number section, and on these units it is the light fabric. The next one is section 20, which is also a light fabric. The next section 19 is a dark fabric. We're going to ignore this arc, these 2 arcs here. We're just going to pretend they're not there. So 19, then section 18 is another dark. Then we go section 17 is light. So it's going to go light, light, dark, dark, light, light, dark, dark. So let's stack these so they'll make more sense to you. So we'll take 1 stack of light fabrics and 1 stack of dark fabrics. This whole stack will be used to piece this set of 7 units. So we'll start. We know that section 21 is a light fabric. I'm going to move this out of the way. So we look for section 21, which is light, and there's a sew side on it. All of these have a sew side except for section 1. You see it says sew side, and we're going to put the sew side facing away from us. So there's section 21. Let's get section 20, and we place the sew side away from us. Then we need section 19, which is a dark. Sew side goes away from us. And section 18, which is also a dark. Sew side away. And you'll notice as we do this, if you still have your clips on, your clips will rotate from left to right. So we need section 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, I'm waiting for this thing to fall, 3, 2, and then section 1. Section 1 does not have a sew side. So we'll take all of these, they're stacked ready for piecing, and we're going to wrap these inside this unit, and that tells us this will all be pieced together. And here is another one I've already put in this bag. I've made a mess of it. So this is already I've already done one. So here's another one. And then we'll have 6 of these bundles inside this bag when we finish all of our stacking and sorting. So I'll show you one more time in case you need to see it one more time. This is, we'll take the one for the half log cabins and the one log cabin. We stack it exactly the same way. So we'll take one set of the lights and one set of the darks. And let's just get started. So here's section 21, 20. Remember the sew sides go away from you. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, this did not get, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and section 1. I lost the paper on this one. So grab these, move your unit sheets over, wrap them up, and put them in your bag. So I've haven't put all of them in the bag yet, but I'm pretty sure they'll all fit. So go ahead and finish all of your 6, and when you have your 6 bundles in bag 1, you're ready to move on to cut bag 2. We're going to do all the cutting first because we want to make sure we have enough fabric, and if we make a mistake in cutting, we'll have to buy new fabric. So let's go on to cut bags 2 and 3.